Hey guys, Sam here from Speedline Technology. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the remote control transmitter and receiver kit from SMJ Electrical. So let's get into this. So this kit is simply just a remote control plug. So you plug this remote control plug in the wall, into the mains, and then you plug another mains plug into the socket built into the device, and then you can remotely switch it on from a remote control. This remote control is compatible with up to 3 systems, 3 of these receivers, but in this box I only have 1, but we do have 3 in the house. I have one connected up to these lights that I'm using now to record with. So let's take a look at the box and see what some of the specs say. So it says that this remote control transmitter enables whatever is plugged into the receiver to be turned on and off. It's very compact, it has a 25-meter range and switches up to 1000 watts, which is great. It's ideal for home entertainment systems, TVs, mood lighting, computers, lamps, and controlling out-of-reach sockets. Something I read on here earlier, if I can find it. Yeah, there we go. It says RF remote control works even through walls and ceilings, and it has a 25-meter range. So let's zoom out a bit, focus, and let's take a look inside the box. So I've had this for a long time, so I've lost the instructions that were inside the box, but I managed to find the box to put it back in to show you. So inside the box is the remote control and the plug. So if we remove the box out the way, here you can see we have both the products. They're very nice looking and they're very clean. SMJ is one of my favourite electrical companies to make sockets and switches and stuff. So let's see how this works. I'm going to plug a night light into the front, and we're going to go test this out, plug it into a socket outside my room and film it and show you how it works. So let's go do that now. So I'm on my upstairs landing now, and I'm going to plug in the socket into the wall, and I'm going to plug in the nightlight into it, like that. This nightlight, by the way, is from Wilko's, a UK company, and it was fairly cheap. It was only about 99p. So if we switch this on the wall, you can see nothing happens. But now I have the remote control right here, and it's configured to button 1 and button 1 on and button 1 off. I'll show you how to configure it in a minute, but let me turn this on and see how it works. So there we go. Off, on, off, and you can see it has a nice little red LED light to indicate when the device is on or off. One feature I'd like to see in the future with this remote control plug, hopefully, is a little button on it as well, so you can switch it on and off from here, because I know a lot of other remote control plugs do that feature. One thing I forgot to point out earlier is how to configure the remote control to the device. So if I zoom out all the way, so I've got lots of room, you can see that on the back, up the top of the plug, there is a little dial right there, and you can twist this with your nail and change it to 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 A, B, C, and D, and then you can do the same on the remote. As you can see, it's hard to focus with no lighting, and the white balance sucks, but there we go. You can see that I can change the dial on the remote control as well. It's set to D for me, and on here it's also set to 1D. So there we go. By the way, if you set it to 2D, it will use the 2D buttons, and also there's another LED light on here to indicate when you're pressing a button, which is nice. Oh, and it has one of those tiny little doorbell batteries. You usually find these in doorbells. I'm not actually sure what they are, but this battery says alarm cell. That's what I mean, it's for doorbells. So anyway, back to the studio. So as usual, don't forget, if you'd like to buy this product, there will be links in the description to do so. Tell me what you think about my video and about the product in the comments below, and I will see you next time. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and goodbye.